Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this inward shadow effect frame on CapCut PC. Now you are going to go to library and add in this white overlay for the frame. Go to go to mask and select rectangle and select reverse and just create a frame first, like so. And then I'm just going to put it on top, and I'm going to add in a video. So I'm just going to use this for the video. Go to library and then add in the black screen on top of the video but below the white frame. And then go to mask again and select the reverse button here. And I'm just going to create, this was on the white background. Go to rectangle, and then I'm going to just adjust the size a little bit, and then reverse it, and then I'm also going to then adjust the size again and feather it out just a little bit though, and I'm just going to just adjust the frames again, and that is it. You can also adjust the opacity as well if that's too harsh for you. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!